Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Best budget phone $999. Immersive Infinity-O display. Is the Galaxy S10 Plus still worth buying now that the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra are here? It is if you're looking to spend less on a flagship phone. You don't get 5G, but there's still plenty to like about the Galaxy S10 Plus. The Infinity-O display is glorious, and this Samsung phone lasted over 12 hours on our battery test. We also like the ultra-wide camera on the back of the S10 Plus and the night mode for better low-light shots. If you're on the fence, be sure to check our Galaxy S20 versus Galaxy S10 comparison to see all the differences. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Price. The Galaxy S10 Plus starts at $849 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, after a price cut following the Galaxy S20's unveiling. You can also save up to $160 with trade-in offers at Samsung. Be sure to check out our updated list of the best Galaxy S10 deals. The Galaxy S10 Plus is available from all of the major carriers, including AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile and Verizon, as well as US Cellular and Xfinity Mobile. You can also buy the phone unlocked. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Design. The quest for the all-screen phone is almost complete. The Infinity-O display on the Galaxy S10 Plus truly goes from edge to edge. With the exception of a narrow chin on the bottom, the S10 Plus has virtually no bezels. Samsung was able to do this because it used a laser cutter to carve out holes in the top right of the screen for the front cameras. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Ultrasonic Fingerprint. This is biometric security made easy. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy S10 Plus is embedded into the display and is easy to set up and use. Unlike Apple's Face ID, you don't have to stare at your phone and swipe up to unlock the device. You simply hold your finger on the designated area of the screen and, boom, you're in. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Cameras. The Galaxy S10 Plus packs the most cameras we've seen on a Samsung phone yet, with a grand total of 5. There's 3 in the rear, including a 12MP dual-pixel main shooter with a variable aperture, f/1.5, f/2.4, a 12MP telephoto lens, f/2.4, with a 2x optical zoom and an ultra-wide 16MP camera, f/2.2, that gives you a 123-degree view. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Video recording. When it comes to recording video, one of the top new features of the Galaxy S10 is super steady recording. Samsung promises an improved stabilization rate for such activities as skiing and cycling. But it can even help when you're just filming while walking, as I discovered strolling around Bryant Park in New York City. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Performance. As the first phone with Qualcomm 7nm Snapdragon 855 processor in the US, the Galaxy S10 Plus is the fastest Android phone we've ever tested, even if the iPhone XS is faster in some tests. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Display and audio. The new Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display on the Galaxy S10 Plus is indeed Samsung's best display yet. According to DisplayMate, this is a record-setting display, earning its highest ever A+ grade. Still, in some ways we prefer the panel on the iPhone XS Max. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. One UI and software. The good news is that the One UI software on the Galaxy S10 is streamlined as promised and fairly easy to use. The settings menu, for example, presents a lot less options up front, but it's still a cinch to make your way around. It's also easy to activate various features without having to dig into settings. I like being able to access the shortcuts for wireless power share and blue light filter right when I slide your finger down from the top of the screen. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review. Specs. Price $999/£799. Display, resolution, 6.4 inches, wide Quad HD+. Rear camera 16MP ultrawide, f/2.2, 12MP dual pixel wide, f/1.5, f/2.4, 12MP telephoto, f/2.4. Front cameras 10MP dual pixel, f/1.9, 8MP depth sensing, f/2.2. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 855. RAM 8GB, 12GB. Storage 128GB, 512GB, 1TB. microSD yes, up to 512GB. Battery 4100 mAh. Colors Prism black, Prism white, Prism blue, ceramic white, ceramic black, Prism green, except US, Flamingo pink, except UK. Size 6.2 by 2.91 by 0.3 inches. Weight 6.17 ounces.